Il-minuta tibda issa. Sergey Smbatyan sul-mas tal-mużika. Maestro, when did you first decide that you wanted to build a career in arts, culture, and in your case, music?
My father was a piano teacher, my grandmother a violin teacher, so all, the atmosphere was about the music. There was kind of strong the feeling that, yes, I should be a musician. That was my big wish. When I was 16, I remember very clearly that I decided to try to conduct, to understand better the musical score. And that's how I turned right to conduct the orchestra.
You've been collaborating with the Malta Philharmonic Orchestra for a while now, Maestro, and you're about to embark on a very exciting tour in the UK. What does this mean for you personally and for your collaborations with the MPO so far?
We have a great history. We performed together with phenomenal artists. We did great tours, but this one is very important. We have a great artist with us. We have a very difficult program. To take the orchestra on tour, that's the big privilege. How orchestra will sound and how orchestra will deliver, there's the responsibility of conductor. So I'm very grateful and will do my best to make the MPO sounds on the highest point.